Ever heard of Bitcoin but got lost in the tech talk? Confused about wallets? Let's fix that. Hey Tech Explorers, it's your Tech Kobold. Today, we're demystifying Bitcoin wallets, your digital piggy bank for cryptocurrency. I'll show you how to set one up, buy, sell, and even use Bitcoin. So, what is a Bitcoin wallet? Think of a Bitcoin wallet like your regular wallet, but instead of holding physical cash or cards, it holds the keys to your Bitcoin. These keys prove you own your Bitcoin and let you access it. There are different types: software wallets, apps on your phone or computer, great for beginners. Some examples would be like Exodus, Trust Wallet, or Moon. Another type of Bitcoin wallet are hardware wallets, physical devices like USB sticks. The benefit being, they're super secure for larger amounts. And finally, there are exchange wallets. When you buy Bitcoin on an exchange such as Coinbase or Binance, they often hold your wallet for you. It's convenient and the most user-friendly, but for ultimate control, you want your own wallet. Alright, now that we know what a Bitcoin wallet is, let's set up a mobile software wallet. Don't worry, it's easy. Just go to your phone's app store and search for a reputable Bitcoin wallet and download it. Open the app and choose Create a new wallet. Now, the most important step, your recovery phrase. The app will show you 12 or 24 words. This is your master key. Write it down, on paper, not a screenshot, not a digital note. Keep it safe. Store it somewhere secret and secure, maybe even in 2 different places. Never share it. Anyone with these words can access your Bitcoin. If you lose your phone and this phrase, your Bitcoin is gone forever. Finally, the app will ask you to confirm the phrase. Then, set a PIN or use fingerprint or Face ID for daily access. And that's it. Your first wallet is all set up. How to buy Bitcoin? Okay, now that your wallet is ready, how do we get Bitcoin into it? There are several ways to acquire Bitcoin. You could buy from individuals directly using peer-to-peer platforms, or even through in-person cash trades. These methods can offer different fee structures, or more privacy, but might require more technical know-how. Another option is using a Bitcoin ATM, which lets you buy Bitcoin with cash or a debit card, sending it directly to your wallet. These are convenient, but usually come with significantly higher fees. You can also mine Bitcoin. This involves using specialized computer hardware to validate transactions and secure the network, earning Bitcoin as a reward. However, mining is now highly competitive and typically requires significant investment. Finally, you can earn Bitcoin by accepting it as payment for goods or services you provide. While these methods offer alternatives, the most common and generally most user-friendly way for beginners to buy their first Bitcoin is through a centralized cryptocurrency exchange like Binance, Kraken, or Coinbase. They function similarly to online stock brokerages. So, let's walk through that common process. How to buy Bitcoin using an exchange. First, choose and sign up for an exchange. Research reputable exchanges available in your region. You'll need to create an account with an email address and a strong password. Second, verify your identity. Most exchanges require identity verification to comply with regulations. This usually involves submitting a photo of your ID. Third, link a payment method. Connect your bank account or debit card to fund your exchange account. Fourth, buy Bitcoin. Once funded and verified, go to the Buy Crypto section. Select Bitcoin BTC, enter the amount you want to buy, and confirm. The exchange will show the price and any fees. Fifth, and this is important, transfer to your wallet. For best security and true ownership, transfer your purchased Bitcoin from the exchange to your personal mobile wallet. In your mobile wallet, find your receive or deposit address. Copy this address carefully. In the exchange, go to Withdraw or Send for Bitcoin. Paste your mobile wallet's receive address. Double-check the address. A mistake can mean lost funds. Enter the amount to withdraw and confirm. If you're new, consider sending a small test amount first. Once the transaction is confirmed on the network, the Bitcoin will appear in your mobile wallet under your full control. Moving it from the exchange is a key step for security. How to sell Bitcoin. So, you have Bitcoin in your wallet, and now you're looking to convert some or all of it back into your local currency, or perhaps use it in other ways. Similar to buying, there are several ways to sell or divest from Bitcoin you can. Use a centralized exchange. This is the reverse of buying. You send Bitcoin to an exchange and sell it for fiat currency. This is generally the most straightforward way to get cash into your bank account. Peer-to-peer platforms. You can list your Bitcoin for sale on platforms like Bisq or HODL. Buyers will pay you directly in your chosen fiat currency, via bank transfer, PayPal, etc. And then you release the Bitcoin to them, often through an escrow service provided by the platform. There are also Bitcoin ATMs. Some Bitcoin ATMs also allow you to sell Bitcoin for cash. You'd send Bitcoin from your wallet to an address provided by the ATM, and once confirmed, it dispenses cash. Fees can be very high, and there are often limits. Sell directly to an individual. If you know someone who wants to buy Bitcoin, you can arrange a direct sale. They pay you, for example, with cash or bank transfer, and you send the Bitcoin to their wallet. This requires trust. Or you could spend it directly. Increasingly, you can use Bitcoin to pay for goods and services directly, both online and in some physical stores. This avoids selling for fiat altogether if the merchant accepts Bitcoin. For converting Bitcoin back to cash in your bank account, using a centralized exchange is the most common method. Using Bitcoin is about sending and receiving. If someone wants to send you Bitcoin, give them your wallet's receive address, that long string or QR code. And if you need to send Bitcoin, you'll need the recipient's Bitcoin address. Then, in your wallet, choose Send. Paste their address, enter the amount, and confirm. There will be a small network fee, usually shown before you send. Quick recap. Your recovery phrase is everything. Guard it with your life. Start small while you're learning. Double-check addresses before sending Bitcoin. Disclaimer: I'm your Tech Kobold, not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are volatile and risky. This video is for educational purposes. Do your own research and only invest what you can comfortably afford to lose. And that's the basics of Bitcoin wallets. Still have questions? Drop them in the comments below. If this helps simplify things, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Tech Kobold, and follow me on X, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for more tech news, tips, and tricks. Stay wise, and I'll see you in the next one.